Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
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 Morning, sir. Yes, Neha, your internet is working fine today.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to start with the attendance as usual. We already know about that. Okay, just give me 1 minute, so let me log into the detail. Anish, absent. Vikrant,
Present, sir.
Kamarpal,
Yes, sir.
Karanbir,
Present, sir.
Harjot,
Present, sir.
Akash,
Present, sir.
Shaina,
Present, sir.
Monisha,
Present, sir.
Shruti,
Present, sir.
Shehbaz,
Present, sir.
Tanno,
Present, sir.
Ranveer, Sahil,
Present, sir.
Mohit, Mohit, Tushar,
Present, sir.
Navneet,
Present, sir.
Navjot,
Present, sir.
Navjot,
Present, sir.
Komal,
Present, sir.
Divjot,
Present, sir.
Kapil,
Present, sir.
Navjot Singh,
Present, sir.
Sarvapuri,
Present, sir.
Manveer,
Present, sir.
Bhavesh,
Present, sir.
Vanchika,
Present, sir.
Suman,
Present, sir.
Sukhpreet,
Present, sir.
Sukhmanpreet,
Present, sir.
Simarjeet,
Present, sir.
Robinpreet,
Present, sir.
Rajvinder,
Present, sir.
Brinkley Jot,
Present, sir.
Parminder Kaur,
Present, sir.
Kaur,
Parminder Kaur present, sir.
Neha,
Present, sir.
Khan,
Present, sir.
Mahekdeep,
Present, sir.
Jodhpur,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Manjot
Present, sir. Present.
Manisha, Lovepreet Singh,
Present, sir.
Lovepreet Kaur, Kulvinder Singh,
Present, sir.
Karanbir Singh,
Present, sir.
Jobanpreet Singh,
Present, sir.
Jobanpreet,
Present, sir.
Jatan,
Present, sir.
Jaspal, Gurmanjot,
Present, sir.
Gurleen Kaur, Gurinder Singh,
Present, sir.
Arshdeep,
Present, sir.
Arjun,
Present, sir.
Amanveer,
Present, sir.
Amandeep Kaur.
Present, sir.
Okay, attendance is over. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the what you call it, uh, bad scripting. Yes, yesterday I requested you please go through. Have you gone through the bad scripting? Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we're going to start. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Please follow this one and you have to show me this activity.
And in this video, we will learn what is shell, what is bash, and what is shell scripting. But before that, let's talk about who can take this tutorial and what are the requirements of taking this tutorial. So what I am using is I'm using a Ubuntu Linux operating system for this video tutorial series. So if you have any Linux operating system, you will be good to go. Or if you have Mac OS or Windows 10 also, you will be able to follow along this video tutorial, because Mac OS or Windows 10 nowadays also supports bash shells. Okay, so for this video series I will be using the Ubuntu operating system. Now if you don't know how to install Ubuntu operating system, complex. If you are note here, to open the terminal or go here and search for the terminal, right? Now in order to search what are the shell types which your operating system supports, you just need to write cat and then just write etc and then write shells. Okay, so cat /etc/shells and press enters, and you can see these are the different kind of shells which your system can support. So for example, my Ubuntu operating system support sh dash bash and rbash, and this bash is what we are going to learn, right? Now what is sh? Sh stands for Bourne shell, which is the original shell still used on Unix system or Unix like environments, right? So the first shell which was used is this shell. Now what is bash? So bash stands for born again shell. So after this shell, this born again shell was reinvented, and it's basically based upon an improved version of this sh or born shell, and nowadays it's the standard GNU shell, which is intuitive and flexible. Okay, so it's more or less the standard shell which is used in most of the Linux operating system or Unix based operating system, including Mac OS and nowadays Windows 10 also. Okay, so these are the shell which are supported by your system. Now where bash is located, so to know where bash is located, you just need to write which bash. Okay, and then press enter, and you will be able to see this output, and this is the location where your bash is located. So now we have all the information about bash, and let's create our first hello world bash script. So I'm going to clear the terminal. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just navigate to my desktop folder or directory, and here I'm going to create a new file which is a shell script file. Okay, so I'm going to use touch command to create the file, and I'm going to name it as hello.sh. Now it's important to know here is .sh extension is not necessary to execute your shell script. So if you name it hello also, it will work totally fine. But for whenever you want to open this shell script using any editor, then it's useful to have this extension, because your editor will be able to understand that this is a shell script file, so it will give you a beautified version of this shell script using the editor. Okay, so it's not necessary but a good practice to use this extension. Now touch command can be used to create a file. So let me just press enter, which is going to create this hello.sh file you can see here, right? Now let me give you a little bit more detail about this file. So whenever you create a file with the touch command, and whenever you do ls-al here and press enter, you will see here your hello.sh file have the rights here for read and write for you, and read and write for the group, and read only permission for the user. and this we will see later what this means, and how we can make this script executable little bit later. But let's start writing some script. So let's create a hello world script with this shell script. So what I'm going to use is a editor called Visual Studio Code, but it's not necessary. You can open this shell script using any other editor. So for example, on my Ubuntu operating system, I can use gedit to write my script, or as an editor, or if you have Vim or Nano, they will work fine. But for me, I like using Visual Studio Code as my editor, so I will be using Visual Studio Code. But it's not necessary. You can use any other editor for writing script.
Okay, so now at this stage, so it shows about the some the the what is the bash. So what is the the or what you call it, the history about that one. So the bond shell, and now you can see here. So you can use any the directory, and then you can create the file. So you can use a vi hello.sh instead of touch. So we can use a vi and hello.sh, and then you will go inside, and then you will write down the code, and then we will execute. So this guy, he already has installed the Visual Studio, another editor for writing the code. Okay, that's not required. So what you will do it here, you will write on vi hello.sh, and then you will go inside that editor. So after that, you are going to write on the command. Okay.
Okay, so for me, I will just give code and dot. This is for opening this directory using Visual Studio Code. But if you don't have Visual Studio Code, just double click on your shell script, and it will open with the default editor you have. Okay, so my Visual Studio Code is open now, and you can see I have this shell script here, and it's empty, right? So let's write some script here. So the first line of script, whenever you are writing a bash script, it's standard practice to use this hash here. So first of all, just write hash, and then this bang here, and this is called shebang sometime, or hash bang. Okay, and then write the location of your bash. So we have used which bash to know the location, and the location was /bin /bash, right? So I will write this, or whatever the location in your operating system, you just need to write this location here. So this helps the interpreter to know that this is a bash shell script.
Okay. So what is the first command? So the shebang notation, and then here we are going to tell how to interpret, that this code. So where the libraries are located. So this is important. So every shell script, so when we are going to write down, so the shebang notation, so this is called the complete line shebang notation. So we have to write down shebang /bin/bash, and then we are going to write down the code here.
Otherwise, if you write here, for example, other uh, shell, for example sh, then your interpreter will know that it's not bash, it's some other shell's interpreter, right? So first line is that, and then you can write entering your script. So it works same as shell. So you can give any shell script or any shell command here. So I'm going to use echo, and then I will just write hello world here. So hello world, and echo command is used to print whatever you write in these double quotes. Okay, so I will just save this, and I'm going to minimize my Visual Studio Code, and now I'm going to execute this script. So I have just written two lines here, right? This first line for the location, and second line is for the echoing hello world, right? So let's execute this. So I'm going to just write point or dot and / and the name of your shell script. So just write the name of your shell script here. Okay.
Okay, so now we have written the code, so you can go vi hello.sh, And after writing the Shivang and then echo message, echo for displaying the message. Now you can see here how to run this file dot slash hello dot sh. So my question is this one, this command will work or no? I'm asking the question for everyone. This command will work or not?
No, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Why?
Permission
Sir,
denied.
It doesn't have executable permissions.
Yes, that's the good. That's I need. Awesome, So that's I need from all of you guys. Well done. You got the point. So let's see.
and then press enter here, and now it says permission denied, and this is what I wanted to show you. So because this file, whenever you create using touch, it has only read and write permission but not execute permission, and what we are doing here is trying to execute this, right? So we need to change the permission of this file first and then execute it. So how to change it? Using chmod command. So just write chmod and then just write +x and then the name of the file, which is hello.sh, which is going to change the permission of this file. So I'm going to press enter, and now just do ls minus al once again, and now you can see that you have read write by the user, and then execute permission by by the group, and read and execute permission by other users. So let's try to execute it again. So I'm going to just execute it, and now it gives me hello world, which is what we wanted to execute, or which we wanted to print using our script. So this was the first video on bash shell scripting. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, so could you please write down this file and run and show to me? Hurry up, guys. Is there any problem? Is there any question at this stage? Please let me know. Yes or no? Please let me know, guys.
no, sir.
Hurry up. So
No.
finish this one and show to me. Yes, Kulvinder, have you finished? Are you there, Kulvinder? I think Kulvinder is not here. Okay, bye, Kulvinder. Mac, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me. Mac, you didn't show me and you just turned off your screen. It was not shared to me. It was sharing, but I didn't see anything. Mahek, I think you didn't listen to me. I said, could you please share it again?
Okay, sir.
Yes, now I can see. So go down. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next is Neha. Please show me. You can stop sharing. Neha, I think she left the class. Yes. Uh,
Yes, sir.
yes, Neha. So what is the result? It doesn't show anything. Hello.shh, what it shows? No result. Yes, Neha.
Yes, sir.
Where's the result?
Sir, I'm going desktop. Last step is left.
What's the last step left?
Sir dot hello dot sh.
Okay, hurry up.
Okay, sir.
Just write on here so I can see the result. Then you turn off. Yes. Even you don't know the zero and the O, you don't have any difference.
Yes, sir.
What is your written? You have written HELL zero, not O. You can't see the difference? Zero and O.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, by mistake.
But the result is not showing. What's going on? Open the file again, vi hello.sh. vi,
हाँ जी सर.
I say open the file first. vi editor you didn't use vi space hello.sh. You have to enter the the code. Or you did not enter the code and that you are going to show me. Hello.sh. Hello dot hello.sh. You sh enter. You didn't write anything and you are going to show me. What you have written here? I have already asked you the you are going to use the the VI editor. You don't bother to listen me. I told you that he has different operating software. He is using that one. You have to use the the VI editor. You are not ready to listen anything, right? Neha, what's going on? Could you
Sir,
please pay attention here? Now write on the here the Shibang notation. How you are going to write down? Please tell me. Yes, tell me.
control.
Yes, write down. I don't think so. This is the first command we are writing like that. Remove. I don't think we are writing this one. We are Shibang notation first.
Sir, I forgot.
No, no, Neha, you are not paying attention. No, no. How come the LS? Are you in your senses? I'm just asking the Neha from you. Already I have showed you the commands. You are not ready to listen. You are not following an instruction. I don't know what's going on with you. Yes, write down the Shibang notation. Neha, this is totally the unacceptable. Make sure you are on the separate place and focus what I showed to you. I have showed to you this one, but you don't know the the you don't follow the
You can give
instruction.
any shell script or any shell command here. So I'm going you can write entering
What is
your
this one?
then your interpreter will know location, and the location was forward slash bin forward
What is this Shebang notation I mentioned to you? I showed you this code, but you don't know the without any code you are running the command. ls something. What's that? Is that ls command is written? I said Shebang notation. If you don't know, so write down on your the notebook and write down all the instruction, the step by step. So you listen here. Look at this one.
slash bash, right? So I will write this, or whatever the location in your operating system, you just need to write this location here. So this helps the interpreter to know that this is a bash shell script. Otherwise, if you write here, for example, other uh, shell, for example sh, then your interpreter will know that it's not bash, it's some other shell's interpreter, right? So first line is that, and then you can write entering your script. So it works same as shell, so you can give any shell script or any shell command here. So I'm going to use echo, and then I will just write hello world here. So hello world, and echo command is used to print whatever you write in these double quotes.
Neha, these are the two lines you have to write down. And then without writing anything, you are showing me the file.
Okay, sir.
So I did not show you this thing before?
Sir, actually, my network is slow. My class leave again and again.
I think you pack your network, you bring your network with you, right? The same thing over there, same thing here, right?
Yes, sir.
So who is responsible?
Okay, so I will just save this, and I'm going to minimize my Visual Studio Code, and now I'm going to execute this script. So I have just written two lines here, right? This first line for the location, and second line is for the echoing hello world, right?
Please write down and show to me, Arya. Neha. Okay, the Karan Beer Singh. Where's Karan Beer Singh? Karan Beer, are you there? I think he left the class. Karan Beer, okay. I think that Karan Beer is not answering me. Avjot, please show me. I didn't say the Harjot, I said Avjot, not Harjot.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Arshdev Singh, Arshdev, why your videos are now? I think I'm going. Okay, thank you. Arshdev, make sure your video is turned on, right? Jovan Preet, Jovan Preet video is also off. Okay. Then later on they will, the
Wait, sir.
why your video is off. So next time, if anybody who are the common name, if they don't choose their IDs, so I will remove them. Jumanpreet, why did you not add the ID? Last time I told you, if this is a situation will happen again, then you already know. So you got right.
Okay, sir.
Last time you asked me, sir, why you give me the 0 marks? You remember?
Yes, sir.
So I told you. Then you have us two people are same.
Okay, sir.
Another double breath already. So what is your? You are in the first or the second in the attendance?
First one.
Okay. The second, that is already left. Anish, please show me.
Sorry to say, sir, but I need some more minutes because I'm doing right now.
Is this any the very complex coding?
No, sir,
Then
but sir, I did some
anytime you
wrong.
Anish, you don't have any excuse, tell me.
No, sir,
No, 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 tell me.
sir,
No,
I did something
this is
wrong, so
my,
that's
this is
why.
my, this is my fourth time. I'm observing. You today you joined late, sir. Mark me present. I'm late. Okay. For the the quiz for the lab one, the same problem. The you
Sir,
had
that
you
thing
had a test
happened.
one. Sorry, listen to me.
Yeah, sir.
My memory is very bad. So in the test one, you are the one. Sir, I can't see. Where is the quiz? Where the test? Even you have logged in the course. Today I asked you to show me. So
That's my bad.
yeah, so could you please focus on your work and show to me? Manjot Kaur 203 A001203.
Me, sir.
Of course.
Okay, sir. So is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Where is the code you have written? Go down. Go down. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Amanveer Singh.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, I can see. Okay, thank you. Uh, Neha, please show me.
Sir, please give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes? It's a matter of 1 minute job. Are you asking me that 10 minutes before the 5 minutes?
Sir, my address showing backup.
Karanbir Singh. Karanbir, why you are the videos of Karan BWER?
Sir, actually, I try to log in
Why
with
your
the.
videos off?
Sir, I am logging with my mobile now.
Okay. So show me your activity.
Sir, I done with the my activity, but my laptop get switched off.
So then, okay,
Sir,
so then you will not get a mask. Okay, no issues. I don't have any problem. You are still, giving the excuses. Your videos not working. You have some problems. I'm just noting. I'm just writing down all the students who had the issue. At the last day, I will not listen to anyone. I'm just telling you. I'm just writing down all your the excuses. Already you have missed the three activities. You have 0 marks. Currently?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just keep in mind. And just keep your excuses with you, when I will finalize your the marks. That time you don't have any chance. So to defend your the excuses, okay? Okay, Navjot Kaur. Navjot Kaur, I'm talking with you and you are talking with someone else.
Yes, sir.
Go down. Yeah, is that working?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you
Yes, sir. In a second line, there's not showing what I wrote in the file.
command not found? Go and open the
Yes,
file
sir.
again. Write on vi hello.shh. Why it is not working? Why you putting 1.2, 2.2? Who give you this opportunity to write down this one? Is this any the part of the command? 2 dot is your own
No, sir.
wish? Is your own wish? So you have to write on this way. Remove 2 and 1. Okay, now go save. Okay, close and run this command. So what is this? Why you write 1 and 2?
So just giving the
No,
two
I have
lines.
showed you 1 or 2. I have showed you over there is written or no. Just tell me first. Could you please tell me first? It was written over there or no?
No.
Then and make sure you will pay attention. Komalpreet Kaur.
So I'm doing. I have network problem. That's why I'm doing.
Prinkly
again.
Jot.
Yeah, sir. 1 second. Sir,
Why your video is off?
sir, my webcam is not working today.
Okay, so next time you will be not inside the class, okay? So this is your
Okay.
responsibility. The web and mic both are working fine, right? Okay, thank you. The next, Shabazz, please show me.
Sir, actually mine is not working. I don't know. Could you please? Sir, I don't know why it isn't working. I don't know. Could you please help me?
Enter. Enter.
Sir, I am pressing enter key, but it isn't working.
Close this one and open it again.
Sir, no key is working.
Close from this window. Yes.
So I have to close it.
Close. Close. Yes, close terminal. Okay, open it again.
Yes.
That terminal. Right click. Okay. VI hello.sh. Enter. Okay, write down now.
Wait.
Press I first, then the number key. First press I, now you can insert, right? Remove, backspace, the delete key, delete, yeah, number and then, yes, remove this one, slash, enter, echo, that's escape key,
So now, yes.
escape key first, then
So
colon,
I am pressing escape key.
escape key, you have done it.
Yes, I have done escape key.
So now the colon, WQ, enter, okay. Then you have to give the CS mod.
Pardon?
CS mod, you have to give the permission, right, to execute. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now dot slash hello.sh. Yes, Shaba. What's the issue?
So the first one that I did, it wasn't working. So I was a little bit nervous. So
Most of the time, Shaba, you're nervous. Huh?
sir, it wasn't working at that time.
You're already in the Canada, right? If you are nervous, you cannot get the job.
Yes. No,
Right?
not of that kind. But I was nervous because my work wasn't working at that time. The application was,
So you
I
have to
don't know,
think
the
about
keyboard.
the this is the way, my dear. So if it, sometimes the computer is not working, what you will do? You restart, right? Sometimes one
Okay.
application is not opening. So before it was working fine, so you restart, the problem solved. This is the basic technique, right? So something is
Yes,
going
sir.
wrong, you already know the way. Do it like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Muskan.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Is it visual, sir?
Yes. So run this to your code.
Yes, sir.
Run your code.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Just give me one second. I requested you, please execute your code. What is the command? No, this is not a command. This is not a command. You have to run your script, how you will execute your script. Dot then slash hello.sh. That's right. Yeah, this is a command. Understand?
Sir, I have done.
Yeah, but I ask you, I have seen, but I ask you to execute your script. You don't know the command.
No, sir, I know it.
Sorry?
I knew it, sir.
How come you are writing ch mode? That's not to run the command,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, be careful, When you
Sir, actually,
answer,
your voice was
excuse me,
lagging.
Muskan, I didn't ask you the listen it. So first, you have to understand listen. That
Yes,
is
sir.
the key for learning. If you will keep arguments, keep giving the excuses, I just tell you for interview, if you will listen the person what is asking, he's going to tell you, yes sir, you are right. That's it. You will get a
Yes.
job. If you say no sir, I know this one, just excuse, listen, relax. Why you are in the class? Here is we have to train you, right? So how to
Yes.
the survive in this world. Instead of you are writing ch mode and on the other side you are telling me, no sir, I know the command. Okay, I said, listen. So when you're working in the organization, or maybe if you go, so if the asking you the write down the your execute your script, this is a command. That's it. I didn't
Okay, sir.
ask you that you give me the explanations or other excuses. That's it. Okay, Muskan, I think
Okay.
you will keep this the instructions. Joban Preet, Joban Preet. I think that Jovan Preet is busy with his friends.
Excuse me, sir.
Jovan Preet. I will come back to you after. Just give me one second. Jovan Preet, can you acknowledge me? I think you are muted.
Yes, sir.
So please show me your activity. I think that Jovan is not listening to me.
Yes, sir.
Could you please acknowledge me? So I'm keep calling you. You just keep quiet. I don't know what you are doing with me. Are you showing or no? Are you are enjoying with the dance party? I don't know.
Sorry, sir. I am outside to my home from my home.
I think better you can go and then come tomorrow. Okay,
No, sir.
thank you.
Now it's okay.
You
Sorry,
can
sir.
come tomorrow, join the class tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Okay, Sahil, what's your problem?
So my machine is not responding.
So,
I'm pressing key, sir.
so who will fix the issue?
Sir, can you give me 2 minutes? I'll show you.
Hurry up.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. What's the problem with the current beer? Current beer. Could you
Sir,
please?
I done with my work.
Okay, so make sure the next time I will not accept in this way. Okay.
Okay, sir. This time only.
Okay, you can stop sharing. You can stop your sharing. Okay, the next. Yes, Avjot, who's calling me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Avjot. Yes,
Uh,
what's the problem?
can I show now? You asked me earlier.
Yeah, so where you went?
Sir, your voice was lagging and my internet was slow at that time.
Okay, no problem.
Uh,
So please inform me when you have this kind of issue, okay? Okay, you can stop sharing. Okay, so the next is okay. So now I'm going to show you the another video. Please look at and then do this activity.
Hello guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In the last video, we have seen how we can create our first script and how we can execute our first hello world script. Now in this video, we will talk about comments and variables. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about comments because they are really easy to use and understand. So first of all, what are comments? Comments are the lines of code which are not executed by a script but are helpful to know some information about your scripts. So how we can write comments? We can write comments with a hash before a line of comments. So whenever you start a line of code with hash, then it will become a comment, right? So just write hash, and then when I write this is a comment, then this is a comment, right? And this will not be executed by your script, but it will give you some information about your script. And then the second way of writing the comment is like this also. So you write your code or line of code, and then after that start a hash, and then this is also a comment, right? So this will also be your comment and it will also not be executed, right? Now, these are the two most common ways of using comments in your script. There are some other ways, but these are the most commonly used ways, right? Now, let's talk about variables. So what are variables? Variables are the container which stores some data inside them, right? So whenever you define a variable, this stores some kind of data. It can be a string data or any number or any other kind of data, right? Now in shell there are, or any Unix system, there are two types of variables. One is the system variable and other are called the user defined variables. Okay, so first is what are system variables. So system variables are created and maintained.
Okay, so you have to understand. So you can see here the number sign. So this is a comment. Comment means when you're writing the code, most of the time what happens, the programmers, they write down the code for the guidelines. For example, okay, why I'm writing this code, So the programmers mostly they use this one. Okay. Another you can see here, we have seen the variable. So what is a variable basically? So you can see here, hello world. So this is a comment. So it will not show you the message on the screen. So the comment basically, it will not show on the screen. It will not be executed. So because this is comment, right? So it will not show. Okay, so now the variable basically is a memory location which is used to store the value during the execution of the program. So please look at this one.
By your Linux or Unix operating system. So these are the some predefined variable which are defined by your operating system. And the standard convention is these are the variables which are defined in capital cases, right? So whenever you see some variable which are capital, most likely they are the system variables. Now the other type of variables are user defined variables, and these types of variables are created and maintained by the user like us, right? And these type of variables are generally defined in lower cases, but there is no strict rule that you need to write your variables in lower cases. You can even write them in capital cases also. So let's see what are some system variable which are we can use in scripts. So for example, I will write echo, and then you write a dollar symbol before a variable, and then there is a variable called, for example, bash, and it will give you your bash shell name, right? And let's just save your script and let's run our script. So I'm going to just run our script, and what it gives, this variable gives us the name of the bash or shell, right? There are some more variables, for example, echo bash version. So I'm going to just write bash version, and then it will give me the bash version, right? And let me just copy it few times. And then there is one variable, for example, for your home, then you use home. This will give you the home directory. And then there is variable called pwd, present working directory. It will give you whatever present working directory you are working in, right? And there are some more variables in your operating systems, but you just need to search them, or just search system variables, right? So I'm going to just execute this script once again, and what it gives, first it gives me the bash name or shell name, then it gives me the bash version. So this is the version of bash I'm using, and then it gives me the home directory, and then it gives me the present working directory, which is desktop. So I'm working on my desktop directory, you can see here also, right? Now let's talk about the user defined variables, right? So how we can define user defined. So you can define user defined variables really simply by giving a name. So for example, I want to create a variable called name. So I will just write name here, and then I will just give a equal symbol here or equal sign here, and then the value. So for example, mark Okay, and how you can use this variable, you can use this variable with a dollar symbol before it. So I will just write echo, and then I will just write dollar here, and then the name of the variable. So my variable name is name itself, right? So it will give me the name. Now with echo you can also write, for example, you can just write the name is and then the variable name, right? So this will give me the name, whatever this name variable contains, right? And I will just execute my script, and it prints the name is Mark, right? So your variable name can be used with your echo string with a dollar symbol before.
Okay, so you have seen here. So here we have declared the one variable name. So name is a variable and we have assigned the value to that variable mark. So what is the variable basically? It is a computer memory location which is used to store the value during the execution of program. So now we are going to execute this code. So now you can see here the name. Name is a basically is a memory location where we have stored the value mark. So now I'm going to print out the value. The name is, so how to print, how this, what you call it, the bash will understand. So this is the variable. So we have to use the dollar symbol and then the name. So when you will run this code, so execute this code, you will see here. So first of all, the bash. So it will show you the bin/bash. Then what is the version? So the version is showing. And then what is the home? So it will show you the home directory, and then pwd is show. It will print out the current working directory. And then at the end, so echo the name is. So what is go to this memory location? What the value we have saved? The mark. So it will print out the mark value over there. So could you please show this code to me? Okay, so it will work for both. So that it will also give you the exercise for the previous and this, the exercise as well. Hurry up. Is that clear? Any question at this stage? Please let me know. Is there any question? Could you please acknowledge me?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So could you please write down this code and show to me? Hurry up, guys. We don't have a time. Anish, Neha, what is this
Yes,
one?
sir.
Komal. So all these people, I will check it from you. I'll
Yeah.
start from Neha, Anish, Komal, another. Just let me. check Joban. I think Joban he left the class. Okay. Harmeet, Lovepreet, Vikrant. Okay. And Jatan. So these people they didn't show me. And Navneet and Gullin. Vanshika, have you done?
Sir, give me a moment. I'll show you.
Supreet,
I'm doing, sir.
okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Tanu, have you done? You are muted.
Yes, sir.
Well done.
Can I show you?
Okay.
Just a- Is it okay, sir?
Okay, good, Tanu.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, lovely.
Sir, I'm having a problem. Can I share my screen?
Sure, go ahead.
Sir, I'm trying to open this, but it doesn't open.
Why are you going to open? You open this one, text editor, CLI. Okay.
Sir, for this,
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to open, but
And listen, you are not listening. You are too fast.
yes, sir.
Go again on the terminal. Okay. Write down VI. I already mentioned to you. Use the VI space hello.sh. What's the issue? Yes, Lapre, tell me.
Now I
So
can.
if you want to insert, you have to press I first. Then you
Yeah.
can insert the text.
Okay,
Then
sir.
when you will finish, then press escape key, then call and WQ and you can come out.
Okay, sir.
Boolean core, have you done?
No, sir, I'm doing.
Are you? Jatan,
Yes, sir.
done?
Yes, sir.
Please show me.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, actually, I have a problem. Can I share my screen?
What about the, have you done the previous activity?
Sir, it shows permission
No, I'm
denied.
asking you the question, you didn't answer me. I said the previous activity, you have done it or no?
No, sir.
So now you have a problem when I ask you to show me?
No, sir, I have problem in previous one.
No, I'm asking you the question again. Without asking me, you didn't bother, you did not ask me anything. When I ask you, please show me, now the problem starts. Why? So that time you had an issue, you can raise your hand, sir, I had this issue. Could you please help me? Now I asking you, show me your work. Then you're telling me this is not acceptable.
Sir, I was trying.
What you're trying? No, I'm asking you. Now you ask me, right? So
Yes,
before
sir.
you cannot ask me. You have to fix the issue and now show me. That's your the you have to pay the fine, okay? Yes, Tanda, is it okay, right? Yeah, she's also agree with me, Tanda.
Sir, will you help me, please?
No, the question is when I ask you to show me, that time you asking my help. Before that, you just keep quiet. If I will not call you, you will not respond to me, right?
No,
Okay, show me.
sir.
Okay, show me your activity.
Thank you.
And I'm, listening, the one by one, the student, I guessing, so the who are, yes. This is the first question, Tano, she can tell you. What's this problem? Tano, plus X. So the CH mod plus X, you mix
I have to give
this,
execute permission, sir.
yeah, plus X. X is missing. if you look at ch1 plus x, I think you are hungry, so you have not written the x over there, right? Ch mod,
Okay, sir.
ch mod, right on. I think I should sleep, then you will write down, Yeah, plus x, not x, plus x. Space, remove x, go back, remove space. Even you don't know the plus x, plus symbol, then x now, space, enter. Now write on the dot, the error, the echo, even you the echo hello one, even you don't know how to write, go and open the file again, vi hello.sh. Even you cannot look at this one, the problem. So echo and then there is a no space. Go on the second line, give the space between the echo and the double quotes. No, it will not work. How you're working? This is this one. So you have to down arrow key. You have to press down arrow key. Then go to the arrow key. Yes, yes, space. No, space. No. You have to press I. Did you press I first? Then space. Yeah. Now escape key. Press escape key. Yeah. Now you have to understand. You are not writing the the proper the what you call it, the way of writing the code. Hurry up, do me the second one. Show me.
So can I stop sharing?
Of course. Thank you very much. Someone is also laughing, so this is a very small code. So Tanu, please become my assistant, so I will give you that 2 bonus marks. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Akash, have you done? Please show me. Okay, good. Anish,
Yes, sir.
show me.
Can you see, sir?
What should I see?
Sir, I have shared my screen.
Okay, so what is the result? Show me the. I have so many commands. Where is your result? What is the file name? So you have written dot slash hello dot asset and the output 0. What should I see? Tell me, Anish. What do you want to show me?
The commands I did.
No, I'm asking you what is the output? The output is 0. Nothing.
Sir, how can I cover this? And how can
I don't know. So you have to tell me. So what you have written the code dot hello dot asset. What is that? So what is the vi hello dot asset? Go in the vi hello dot asset.
Uh,
Right on. No, yeah, up. Vi hello.shh. Go over there. I should give you the gold medal. So the glass is empty and you're drinking water. What is the command here you have written? What you have to write on here? The second, the code I have also showed to you. And then you're asking for me, sir, what I have to do it? What should I do it? What is written here? What it will show you? Tell me, Anish. Yes, Anish. Could you please answer me?
yes, sir.
So what you have to write on here?
Sir,
I don't know. Whatever. Sorry, I don't think so, Danish. You are focusing on the code. I already showed you that this is the second, the activity, and you are still over there, just giving the excuses. You have not to do anything. That's you are not concerned, right? Why you don't keep the notebook and pencil and then write down the commands which I'm going to show you? And you thought, okay, without any writing, and then I will become expert. I have already showed you this command. These are the commands you will write down, then you can see the output. The empty file, and then you are going to show me, sir, what? Please tell me what should I do? Wow, very interesting, right? Look at this one. If you want, you can take a picture and write down and show me up. Neha,
Yes, sir.
show me your activity.
Yes, sir.
Your name is Mark. Neha, what's your name? Mark.
Sorry.
Even you cannot change
Sir, it
it.
has been written by mistake. I don't know.
No, even you cannot change your name, eh? Okay, Monisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Supreet.
I'm doing, sir.
The previous activity, okay, show me. What you're doing? Please share your screen with me.
Sir, I did my previous activity, but now I'm stuck at this.
You didn't do the previous activity. Why you are misguiding me?
Sir, I did.
Sorry. You don't know the previous activity and this activity.
Actually,
No. I know the Supreet. Don't give me
no,
the
sir, I did
excuses.
it.
No, nothing. It didn't do
Sir, I
anything.
really did it.
How believe on you?
Sir,
No
I
way.
actually really did it.
How to believe?
Because I'm
If the
trying to.
this the yes the previous if you have done so this one you have already finished until the echo command hello world. You still on the hello you word even you
Sir,
didn't complete.
no, sir.
I don't
When I opened it second time,
the
then it
people who give me
happened.
the too many excuses, I said they are misguiding. Very simple for me.
No,
The
sir, I really
excuses
did.
person, so giving the too many excuses, just misguiding a person. Jatanpreet Kaur, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Did you show me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parminder, I don't understand what you're talking to me. That your voice is broken, not very clear voice. I can't say anything, what you're talking to me. Yes, yes, Bhavesh, what's your question?
Sir, I have not shared my screen. Should I share?
No, I will ask you. Okay. Yes, Devjot.
So my file is not getting saved. It is showing cannot save the file.
So, okay, show me. Parminder, Sukhpreet, so these people. Okay. I don't know what you're talking to me. Okay, save. On the right side, it's not showing the save. Okay, close this one.
Yes.
Close. From this window, just close. So close this one. Yeah. Okay, so is there any the save? Okay, no. Okay, just where the file where you have created on the desktop. Go to the CD desktop. No, no, go over there. Don't do like that. So go to the CD desktop. Okay, CD. Yeah, desktop. Okay, enter. So vi hello.sh. So this is a way every time I think I will recommend you have to follow this one. Now write down the code. Yeah, bin slash bash echo the hello word. How much it take time the word the Sukhpreet. So press escape key, colon WQ, and now chmod plus X the hello.sh and now run dot slash hello.sh. Okay, done. Well done. You know the how much time the Sukhpreet she's giving me the excuses. We have half time we have done the one the previous activity. Okay, so now you do it the next one.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Well done.
I'm doing, sir.
Right. So no sir, I have done it previous activity, this activity, I had an issue, this blah blah. And within that time we have done it, in front of you. So how much time you are required? That's my question, from all of you guys. It's a matter of 2 minutes. Yes, Gulinko.
Sir, you marked me absent today.
Of course, so that you didn't, when I was in the class, You did not say yes, sir.
No, sir, I was answering you, but I think
So then who is responsible if you're muted?
sorry, sir, it will
Sir,
not
mine
happen
also.
again.
Lapit kaur.
Yeah, so you people came late, right? Lovepreet,
See,
I
my
know.
class leaved because due to network.
So networking issue is not my problem, right? I already mentioned to you, be professionals.
Sir, I
If
tried
you
to connect, but it doesn't.
Lovepreet, I think you are not listening to me. I said if you are internet issue, other issues, you're responsible, right? Not mine.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Please, sir.
So show me the first your work, Gulli, then I will.
Okay.
Show me the both of you your work for today. The second activity, then I will mark a present. Is that clear? Is this a good idea? Yes, Tanu, is it okay? So if they will show me, I will mark them present. Right? But the others, they are it's not working. The echo, dollar symbol, PWD, it's not working. Only shows the your name is Kulling. This is a comment. Also is not working. This is a comment you have to put the dollar symbol before. Yeah, this is a comment on the top, on the second line. Yeah, before that, starting as the starting of the line, you have to the number sign. No, I this is dollar symbol.
Hashtag. Hashtag.
Hashtag, yeah. So now people they use the hashtag. Okay, space. Yes. Now save and run this code again.
Hash should be in capital letters.
The variable should be in capital.
The variable she already printed, so no
No, sir,
issue.
they are in small. They
Oh,
should
oh,
be
oh, oh,
capital.
Hash,
okay.
hash
Yeah, yeah.
as
Here,
in
here.
home PWD.
Yeah, yeah. This one, I thought you were talking about the down one. When the Twitter and other stuff they came, so they use the hashtag, right? Yes, Gulin.
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. It's working now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who was the next one? Love plate. Show me.
Sir, I also write variables in the small letter.
You see, when I ask you to show me the work, that time you have this issue. When I ask you to log in time, then you have internet issue. So please come on one stage. So tell me the which
Sir,
I have to follow the rule on the D
sir,
and
can
the
you check
I.
my
Your D and I answer is wrong. Why you put D and I over there on the top first two lines? Remove that one. See, and she bong and the bin and slash. You have to put the spaces.
Okay, sir.
What do you? Okay, so how many times I ask you to do this one? Is there any space between the hash and the shebang mutation and the bin slash bin? Okay, so we have reached at the end
Sir,
of the
excuse
session.
me, sir.
And now I'm
Excuse me,
going
sir.
to, yeah, show me tomorrow.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please check my
Okay, then see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.